Indian wrestler Vinesh Phogat has returned to the country after a stint in the 2024 Paris Olympics. Wrestler Sakshi Phogat and Bajrang Punia arrived at the IGI airport to welcome Vinesh. These are breaking updates coming in of Vinesh Phogat's arrival in Delhi after a stint at the Paris Olympics. She may not have won a medal there, but she has certainly made herself, the wrestling fraternity and the country proud. You can see there Sakshi Malik, Bajrang Punia have also arrived to receive her. Live reactions coming in. Let's quickly play them up. For more details on this story, Arzu, Vinesh Phogat arriving back in Delhi, euphoric scenes coming in from the Delhi airport. Describe what's happening there.
Given to Vinesh Phogat. Let me show you the visuals from the Delhi airport. Dipendra Hooda has come here. You can see, the Vinesh Phogat has been garlanded. She has been offering flowers by the supporters. Supporters are giving her blessings, and she seems very emotional. She in fact started crying when she hugged Sakshi Malik, and these are the emotions that are coming out of Vinesh Phogat. We can see, how humbled, overwhelmed she is to see the support, as she was disappointed by the final match, because she has beaten the world's number one in the semi-final, and after she reached the final, just because of being overweight, she was disqualified, and she in fact moved to the court of arbitration, but the order was not in her favor, and after that she decided to come to India, and now she has come, and you can see Sakshi Malik is also there to welcome her. Bajrang Punia has also come here to welcome her, and we can see, they are going between the public to seek the blessings, and everyone excited and they're saying that maybe Vinesh Fogart has not brought medal this time, but she still remains our hero. She still remains a winner for us, and we can see the people are showering flowers on her, and we can see other wrestlers have also come here to offer the okay. So we can see how the wrestlers, the supporters have gathered in a large number. It is a welcome, same as a medalist receive, and so you can see Sakshi, we will try to take a reaction from wrestlers also, so that we can understand what's going on with inside them, how they are feeling.
ओलंपिक की गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट और यही हमारा फर्ज है।
आपको कहाँ लगता है कि वो कहाँ वो कमी रह गई वो
देखिए 53 केजी कैटेगरी में खेलती थी विनेश, और 50 में क्यों आना पड़ा, ये अपने आप में एक बड़ा सवाल है कि वो क्या कारण थे कि वो 53 से 50 में शिफ्ट हुई। तो उन कारणों के बारे में पता करना चाहिए, और बाकी बस हमारा यही है कि हम उसको चैंपियन की तरह ट्रीट करें।
यहाँ पर प्रधानमंत्री जी ने भी उनकी सराहना की है। उन्होंने बोला कि उन्होंने देश का मान सम्मान बढ़ाया, भले मेडल नहीं आए लेकिन देश का मान सम्मान बढ़ाया, फाइनल पहुंच गए।
जी, स्टार्टिंग से ही जब से उन्होंने कैरियर की शुरुआत की है, चाहे बजरंग हो, चाहे साक्षी हो, चाहे विनेश हो, तीनों ने स्टार्टिंग से ही इतने इंटरनेशनल मेडल जीते हैं, तो हर मेडल पे ही उन्होंने देश का मान बढ़ाया है, और आगे भी वो देश के लिए काम करते रहेंगे।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.